dear students. The chapter is molecular basis of inheritance and a very peculiar question for the NEET examinations which will be frequently asked. And this is what the E. coli was allowed to grow for the 80 minutes. Question is that E. coli was allowed to grow for the 80 minutes. Then what would be the proportions of light and hybrid densities DNA molecule? Earlier I have uploaded a video on this question, but by mistake actually I wrote the fraction of the hybrid to the whole one. So today I am going to clarify that. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I use the red one for the heavy molecule of DNA. So whenever we start our experiment, or you can say if we want to solve this question, we have to start with the DNA having N15 molecules, nitrogen 15 molecules in them. This is the heavier isotope of nitrogen and N14 is the lighter one. Okay, so after 20 minutes replicated. So as a result of replication we have 2 DNA. Okay, we have 2 DNA molecules and they are hybrid one. One strand having N15 molecules, other one has N14 molecules. Okay, this is what N15 and the other one is what N14 molecules. Again after 20 minutes we have 4 strands. We have 4 strands, one with the red and black, and again a red and a black. Again here nitrogen, ammonium chloride, in which nitrogen is N14. We all the time now provide N14 as a source. Okay, so the newer strand which is formed is again a black strand that is having N14, the lighter one, the lighter strand. Okay, so out of 80 minutes, now 40 minutes are gone. Rest 40 minutes, in rest 40 minutes, you can be nearer to each other so that it can be easily counted at the time of our proportion, and all are then lighter one. Is it visible to all? After again 20 minutes, a total, now this is what 80 minutes, the result time is here. Okay, again nitrogen here is N14, the lighter one. Now you can see the results. From these 8 DNA, 16 new DNAs are formed, and of which the 2 DNA are hybrid having N15 and N14 strands. These are hybrid DNAs 2. Now rest of the other having only black strands, that is the strand with the lighter one, that is the lighter DNA having N14 only. N14, no N15 are there in the black one. So you can count the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. There are total 16 DNA, of which 2 are hybrid and rest 14 are the lighter one. And the question is what? The question is that the proportion of light and hybrid densities of the DNA molecule. So now you have an answer of this question, that what? Light ratio, hybrid. So lighter one is what? How many lighter one are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these are what? 14 ratio. Now hybrid one are 2. These are 2 in number. So you can write it here 2. If you simplify that one, you have a ratio of 7:14. 1. So this is how this question will be solved. So by mistake, in the previous video I have uploaded whatever the same question. I have used the fraction. Now how a fraction for the fractions of lighter DNA and hybrid DNA. And what I have made silly mistake in the previous video is what the fraction of the DNA is. The same question can be modified for your upcoming examinations by this way also, that the question is the same, but instead of proportion they use the word fraction. What is the fraction of light and hybrid densities DNA molecules? If the fraction word is used instead of proportion, then the fraction of light DNA, that is 16 in the denominator, whereas at numerator, that is at upper side, you have to write the number of light stranded DNA only, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 ratio 16. If you simplify this one, so this is what? 7:8. So this is what the fraction of light strands of the DNA, that is light DNA. If you want to find out the fraction of hybrid DNA, then you again write a numerator and denominator. In the denominator, total number of DNA after 80 minutes, and these are what? 16. And the hybrid are 2 only. So you can write the 2. This is what? 1/8. So this is how number you obtained here is what? 7/8 and 1/8. So these are the fractions. The same question can be modified like this also. I think now it is very clear to you. If you have any queries, please comment on the comment box. And thank you.